Hello guys, a new mining video for new mining coin. I already tested this coin and it's working very well. Also, the list of all mining coin, over 13 coins, will be in the Telegram channel. The link will be in description, also in the first comment of the video. All coins will be in the Telegram channel. Join our Telegram. You will find a post with all mining coins in Telegram, the new one and the old one. I have many coins that have a great future. You must mine all. There is coins for 1 hour, for 2 hours, for by clicking, and other coins. All I will show you today some coins of that, but for now we explain how to get Kingy coin for free. The price is $0.45 for each coin. How to get this coin? After joining the bot, you connect your wallet. You will find here I have 20 hours left to another claim. You will find a claim here. When you click claim, it will show you it will redirect you to your wallet. It will redirect to your wallet. You must have 1 ton in your wallet to claim it. Must have some fees, 0.12 of ton coin. You must have this small amount of ton coin in your wallet. Like you see, this is our bot. You click daily here, you get some coins, 1 Kingy to your ton, to your wallet in Telegram wallet, like I show below. You click in the here in claim, it will redirect you to your wallet. I will show you now. If we click here, let's see. This is not, if you want to understand that, you can do at your own self, but I show you how to mine Kingy coin in simple ways. You click here, you claim your reward, that's all. You must have some tons in your wallet. Let's go to our wallet. I will explain you how to work. Like shown below, this is my wallet. Like show below, I have this ton coin, this amount of ton coin. You must put your ton coin in ton space beta here, like we see. This is our coin received from the bot, like we see. Today 1 plus 1, today plus 1, like we see, it's today. I do today. How it's work? You just open your wallet. You must put some tons here for 1 ton. You click in ton beta here. You click in deposit. You transfer from your wallet, like you see. Transfer your ton from your wallet to this to ton space wallet. Must have if you put 0.5 like that, you can continue. Press continue to complete the transfer. It's very simple, like shown below. You must have 1 ton here, or 0.5 ton here, to get your ton in ton space. It will dedicate your the fees from ton space. To deposit, you click deposit, you click transfer from wallet. You have a balance in your ton address here. You just put your amount here like that, and you click continue and you confirm, and that's all. You wait some seconds and it will appear here. It will be used for fees to connect your wallet and claim daily defender capital for free. Like you see, it's $1. Let's swap. We click continue. I have bad connection. Now we swap our coin. It will you can swap your coin for USDT or ton coin as you want. I want stock now. The price is high, like I told you. This is how it's work in this bot, in this first bot. Let's go to our bot, our other bot. There is many other bots will be in the Telegram channel. Join all coins. Every coin have a system of mining. Some coins have mining by tapping. Some coins have mining by 1 hour. You enter every hour. Some coins have mining every 2 hours. And when you collect coin, you can just you can upgrade in some coins your mining. You upgrade your mining to 2 hours, to 3 hours, to 4 hours with your mining coins. You can transfer to maximize your earning in a large time. That's how it works. It's very simple. That's how it works. This is a new coin. I have a bad connection. Wait until it's we wait until it's load. It's very simple. Must start now. This is the new coin. Already there is many other coins, new coins. All will be in Telegram channel. Join our Telegram channel and join all coins, mine all coins. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I think it's bad connection. We try this other coin. This is for FTN coin. You just mine this coin for free. It's for FTN coin. It will be converted to an FTN coin. It will be in being X wallet. Like you see, I have this amount. How it's work? It's very simple. You click here until it's the progress like that, and your progress appear here like that, and after that you will have an egg with some coins will be collected. Also there is mission. You can do mission. Like you see, I have 105 eggs, and you repeat that. That's all. This is for FTN coin. It's project for FTN coin. This is how it's work for this bot. We return to other bot to try. It's not loaded. Like you see, it's a very fast coin. Now we return to other bot. Let's see how it's work. This new one. Also there is many coins. I can't explain all coins in one video, but this is the most important coins in all coins mining. There is other coins. You must mine all coins. Don't excuse me, the bot not working. Let's show you this one. Sometimes bot are slowly. Like you see, this is a new coin. Like you see, every sometimes it gives you some taps. Like you see, this is taps. You complete your tabs like that if you want to more, but you must watch. We complete time, we click in claim, we claim these tabs like you see. We go to farm, we click claim, we click start farming. Like you see, farming for every 4 hours. Every 4 hours you claim your mining. This is a new coin, I told you. It's a good project. This is for tabs. Like you see, you go to farm, you claim every 4 hours for this coin. All link will be in the first comment of the video. In one link to my channel in Telegram. Join my channel in Telegram. You will find all coin in one link listed. Join all and start mining like arrow. Don't miss any coin. This is our video today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.